Okay, so I'm getting ready to service the transfer case on this 2014 GMC Sierra Z71, and I can't find any information in the owner's manual. Nothing. No fluid type, no fluid capacity, anything like that at all. So I'm going to refer to the repair manual. And so let's look up transfer case. And let's see. Da, 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 da. Oh, transfer case. Here we go. All right. NR3, NQG, NQF. I don't know which one we have. I assume these are RPO codes. So let me go out to the truck and peek in the glove box. Okay, so I'm out here checking the RPO codes. And I think I remember seeing NQH on that list. So let's go confirm. Another cool thing, if you've got, if you check this list and you've got G80, that means you have a locking rear differential. Okay, so now that we know we have the NQH, we're going to pick that. And here's our information. All right, so we use Dexron 6. It's going to be ATF. Easy to find, and 1.6 quarts. So I just need to pick up 2 quarts. Awesome. Now I can get started. So there's so much more information in here. Torque values, part numbers, all kinds of stuff here. So anyway, you can see the value in having a repair manual so you're not guessing at things.